welcome back to Projects Warrington. Today we're going to show you how to clean some alloy wheels really well. I'm not using a lot of elbow grease because a lot of these wheel cleaners just don't shift any black. So what we've got is Oven Bright, best stuff to use. So this one has got quite some heavy black markings. Using a brush, you just rub in between the spokes. And this is the only thing really that cuts into. So as you can see, it's getting off all the black. Any tar and any black from the brakes, this gets rid of it. So now we're going to spray. Spidder, nice spidder there, look. So give that a spray now. See, it's 95% more cleaner than what it was, and I believe this is stronger than any other stuff you could put on it. I've used a cloth before and that's got it off as well. You don't have to use a brush. Doesn't irritate your hands either. So that's one. The worst really is this one around here. This one is in real poor condition. As you can see, this is in real bad condition, this one. So we're just going to spray some of the oven cleaner. Okay. As you can see, that one does need a refurb. From these bits here. It's come up really nice as well. And there you go, wheel cleaner. Use Oven Bright to bring a nice shine to your wheels.